Hi, this is Aaron and Linda with Traveling Flamingo, and today we're on the Odyssey of the Seas. There's so many dining locations, some of which are an additional charge on Royal Caribbean. Playmakers Bar and Arcade is one of the newest restaurant additions to the Royal Caribbean fleet. We're going to tell you everything you need to know about Playmakers so you know if you should spend your time and money there. All that and more coming right up.
Have you ever been to a sports bar on a cruise ship? Playmakers brings all that you love about a sports bar with the views of the ocean. As you would expect with a sports bar and arcade, there are lots of TVs, so you have a view of a TV no matter where you are sitting. And there's a guide that will tell you which professional games they will be playing on your sailing. There's a nice large bar, some booths, and tables to sit and enjoy a drink and watch all the action. On the Quantum Ultra class of ships, there are floor-to-ceiling windows, which gives you great views of the ocean. On the Oasis class, there is indoor and outdoor seating on the boardwalk. In the bar, there are a few pool tables, darts, and some table shuffleboard. The arcade has a variety of classic and new games. On our sailings, there were even some times that it was free to play the games, so that was pretty exciting and definitely a busy time to be there. The atmosphere was really laid back, and you could enjoy the game with a drink. This is definitely a popular location.
It definitely fills a bit of a hole. I remember we were on an Alaska cruise, and Linda wanted to catch the World Cup England game, and so we were trying to find a place where we could watch it. We wound up watching it on an iPad, but being able to have a place to go to watch those types of things would be really good, and I can see why it would be so popular. In terms of location, it depends on what class of ship you're on. On the Quantum Ultra class ships, it is located in the Sportsplex, which is a perfect spot for a sports bar. You get to overlook the sports court where they have all sorts of different activities like bumper cars and basketball and pickleball and all sorts of stuff. This is also where the arcade is, so you can take someone on in air hockey. I am still the reigning champion between us for air hockey and skee ball, just to let you know, Linda. On the Oasis class ships, Playmakers is on the boardwalk with the open air, and it's right near the Aqua Theater. As other ships are getting refurbished, they're adding Playmakers, so be sure to check the deck plans to find out where it is on your ship. Before we get to the menu, I just want to pop in here and thank everybody who has liked and subscribed our channel. We really do appreciate it. We have tons of cruising videos about dining, ship tours, including everything that's included for your Royal Caribbean cruise and what you need to know for your perfect day at Coco Cay, which is their private island. So when this video is done, be sure to check out our channel. Thank you.
Oh, I see how it is, Aaron. Throwing some shade at my air hockey skills. You just wait. Now on to the menu. Playmakers is open for lunch and dinner, serving American bar-style food. For appetizers, or as they call it, warm-ups, some of the options are nachos, onion rings, and sliders. For the game time, or mains, there are burgers, sandwiches, and wings. They also have some unique desserts like the campfire cookie and touchdown brownie. There's also an extensive beer selection, and if you have a drink package, you can use it here, but the food is a la carte.
So on to what we had. We came here for dinner, and we tried a couple of things. We shared the wings and got them with minor league sauce, which our server told us was the most popular. It's like a buffalo. When I saw it was only $4 for 24 more wings, we decided to go with that. Yep, it was more than we needed. We also got the chicken tenders, which come with French fries. It was a pretty big serving with chicken covered in cornflake batter, and they were really nice and crispy. I know it says that they are perfect for little sluggers, but I did enjoy them. I should have also asked them if they had plum sauce, as that's Linda's favorite to dip with her chicken fingers. They come with Parmesan fries, which were really nice. They were also nice, thick steak cut fries. I really like the sort of steakhouse style fries. They're my favorite. It's a great crispy potato mixture. As a marshmallow fan, Linda had to try the campfire cookie, which was also something that our waiter recommended. The cookie was nice and soft, covered in a toasted marshmallow and some ice cream. It was pretty big and definitely shareable.
I was definitely already leaning towards the campfire cookie, but when our server told us that the sundae was just really like a sundae, that definitely sealed the deal for me. In terms of value and price, the food quality was good, but it does come at an extra cost. Some of the food is unique to Playmakers, like the wings and the cookie. The cost of the food is not bad. For example, the chicken tenders were only $4 and the wings were $12 for 24. We can't get that prices at home. It would definitely cost a lot more than that. The difference here is that you do already have food that you've paid for waiting for you. So there's a meal in the MDR or a buffet that you could go and have for free. If you don't have a drinks package, the beers do cost $7.99. The wine is between $10 and $12 for a glass, and cocktails are $13. I think the food is more about convenience. If you're having a drink and watching the game, maybe waiting for some people who are participating in an activity in the sportsplex, you can get a little food and it's not going to cost too much. I would definitely get the cookie again, but would probably just zip over to the Windjammer for my main meal.
I'd agree. It was very reminiscent of the hockey rinks around here in Canada, where you have the hockey rink and then like a bar where you can watch your kids play. Kind of felt like the same sort of idea, where you could sit there, grab a pint, maybe have some wings, have a little bit of food while your kids are playing or at the arcade or what have you. Overall, this is a great location. If there is a game on that you want to watch or hang out with friends and have a drink, the food is good and convenient if you're hungry, but I would be as happy to have food in the Windjammer. There are no reservations required, and you can check the hours in the Royal Caribbean app. We often get asked about dress code. For Playmakers, it's casual, so pretty much anything but your swimsuit. Shorts are not a problem. So do you have a favorite restaurant on Royal Caribbean? Would you pay for food at Playmakers? Would you be interested in sitting there and watching a game with your mates? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching, and happy travels.